What's up, guys? It's your boy Quinn back with another little video, and you already know I'm on the road. I'm in the car, so you already know where I'm going. Well, y'all don't know where I'm going, but I'm pretty sure y'all have an idea. Because when I get on this camera, oh snap! Hold on, time out. Oh, I almost missed my turn. Okay, so long story short, I'm on my way to a car meet. This is supposed to be a big car meet. It's supposed to be it's like an all Mopar car meet at a Dodge dealership. So I'm headed there right now. I'm already late. I'm like an hour late, but I wasn't really. It's hot, so I mean, I don't really care to be out there, you know, for 3 hours.
Traffic lights,
but
use the right lane.
I think I'll probably get a good hour out there, and pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of stuff already out there because I'm so late. So we'll see. Just coming through a tunnel right now. Woo! Oh my goodness. Alright, so, I'm about to miss my turn now for real. I'm over here having fun in a tunnel like a child. Let's see if I can get over. Alright, he let me over, bet. Appreciate you.
Turn right.
So I'm on my way to this car meet, and we probably gonna see a lot of stuff out there. I think it's gonna be lit. I think it's gonna be a lot of cars out there. I tried to hit up Brad, try to bring them boys out, Brad and Watlow, but them boys busy, so I'm solo today, but it's still gonna be lit. I'm on my way. It says 17 minutes, so I don't know. That could be traffic or it could be distance. I don't know. But I will check back in with y'all when I get closer, because I just got off one highway and I'm about to jump on another one. I'll probably do a little quick POV when I hit this highway, and then I'll see y'all at the car meet. Alright, so it looks like we're on the main road with it. We sliding on the main road. Ooh, damn, it's bumpy. Some of these roads are real smooth out here in Houston, and some not meant for these cars. I won't even lie to you, especially when you change it and you start doing like sport mode and track. It's the worst. So right now I am in sport, but the road is starting to smooth out, so I think I'm good. Kind of hyped to see what it's gonna look like, because from IG this thing looked crazy. They had one last month. I didn't know about it. I saw it after the fact, so you know, your boy had to be ready for this one. I'm just doing like little stuff to the car until I make a decision on what I'm gonna do, as far as like if I'm gonna wrap it or rims. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but y'all can drop them suggestions like I said before, and you know, I'll think about it. But we are on our way. It says 13 minutes. It said 17 minutes not that long ago. So we're almost there. It's a little bit of traffic. It looks like I'm in some part of downtown. So I don't know where this Dodge dealership could be at downtown, but we on the way. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get a little bit closer. Or matter of fact, I'll keep y'all on and I'll do a little bit of POV. Roll the window down so y'all can hear that growl.
Go past this light, then at the next one, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Southwest Freeway Frontage Road.
Damn, there's a lot of traffic around here, man. It's crazy. Well, I mean, it is 7 o'clock. I have less than an hour. Well, I'm gonna be there in 12 minutes, so I have about 40 minutes or 40 something minutes to see what's going on.
At the traffic lights, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Southwest Freeway Frontage
I hope that traffic don't have nothing to do with this Dodge thing, boy. Oh man, because it looked like she's leading me onto this highway. And that
in half a mile, bear left to merge onto I-69 North.
That highway got all types of cars on it. maybe there was an accident back there because it don't look too bad right here.
Use the left lane to bear left to merge onto I-69 North.
Oh my God, bruh. What is going on in front of me? These people tripping. Come on, New Jersey, let's go.
Bear left.
Alright, we get on the highway. Here we go.
In 3.5 miles, take exit 129A on the left towards Galveston and Dallas.
Damn. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So we on the way to this car meet. Comment, damn, I just seen them boy, that scat right there. Them boys took a shortcut. He's on his way. He gotta be on his way to that Dodge thing, boy. Cause I just seen him. He got off the highway, way on the other highway. He must know his way around Texas. He about to get on this highway right now. Or, oh yeah, there you go. Yep. That scat reminds me of my scat. That's a wide body, but he trying to cut up. Look, look, look. Check him out. Check him out. Yeah, them boys. He's got to be down. That shit. Oh my God, it made me miss my scat, boy. That scat is hard. Look, I don't know if y'all can see it in the rear view. Let me see if I can show y'all the scat. Hard, black roof, black hood, white.
In 2 miles, take exit 129A on the left towards Galveston and Dallas.
Hard. But yeah, man, I'm pretty sure they on their way. They on the way to the little meet. He was riding with a Durango. I don't know where that Durango went. I don't know if he's still riding with the Durango. They got missing, but I thought I would have seen, by this time, we got, what, 8 minutes left? I thought I would have seen some cars, like, on the way. I guess we the last two stragglers.
Stay in the right 3 lanes.
I don't even know if he's really for real going, oh, shit. Right 3 lanes. So I guess he's not going to the meet, but that definitely was the car that's on the other highway. I don't know how he ended up right next to me again. That's crazy. Because he got off way before me. But either way, it don't matter. We on the way.
In 2 miles, take exit 40B on the right on right.
Oh, I gotta turn that music down. Guys, I just passed like 6 challengers, but I dropped my camera on the ground and I couldn't reach it, and I didn't want to crash. But it was mostly scats and RT. It don't matter, they challengers. I just passed a few, like literally like 5 of them, and a Chrysler 300. So I'm pretty sure them boys, whoever them boys was, they're on their way. And I don't see anything ahead of me, but I gotta get off in a mile. So I gotta get off in 1 mile. Somebody trying to slide up next to me. Oh, that's so old school. Let's get over.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 40B on the right onto IH 610 east towards Pearland.
40B.
right.
Alright, we getting off the highway again. I don't know if there's gonna be, no, it can't be another highway. It says 1 minute.
Use the right lane to take the exit towards I-45 South and Park Place Boulevard.
It says 1 minute, so South Park Place Boulevard.
Take the exit, then turn right into the car park.
Damn. Oh no, don't, it ain't Dodgers yet.
Turn right into the car park.
Oh damn, yeah, they out here, boy. Yes, sir. God damn, there's a lot of motherfuckers out here. Holy shit.
You've entered the car park.
He got stuck on the ramp. Damn, there's a lot of these cars out here, boy. Oh my god, there's a lot of different stuff too. Nigga like stuck on the ramp. I don't even know where it is. It ain't even nowhere to park. Look at that. God dang. It ain't even nowhere to park, boy. Look at that. Bruh, it is nowhere for me to even park. God damn, look, we all at the... What's up, man? Huh? Rev it. Yeah, buddy had asked me to rev it, so I revved it real quick. Look. God damn. Oh no, they done. They took the cameras down. They was recording and shit. But there's nowhere for me to park. Look. I can't even see the cars, boy. God dang. That's crazy. This is crazy. Look at the lounge. That's a small thing. I didn't realize they was that small. That shit hard though. He got the 360 cam on it. He got the 360 cam. Dang, it's like half the size of my car. Everybody want me to rev it. Yeah, I see some Camaros out here, but it's mostly Mopar. I can't park nowhere though. I might have to be just circling. I might have to just like stop where I'm at, get out and record. Yeah. I don't know what this is, but I know it's hard. He got a dang, what's the name of that? He got that, what you call it, supercharger on that that is a Challenger? Yeah. Damn, boy, he was deep out here. Look at this shit. Oh, that's that beast right there, boy. Damn. Oh, appreciate it. Yeah. Damn, but that's that real, that's what's the name car, ain't it?
What you do for a living?
YouTube?
Just YouTube. You got like any business cards or anything?
Get my Instagram. Everything on there.
What is it?
Quinn? Yeah. QUINN_L33. Yeah.
Queen Lee. Oh, Jamaica?
Yeah.
Jamaica?
Nah. What you do, like car content?
Yeah, I do car content.
Okay, yeah. Nah, so the link for my main channel is on my Instagram, and I just started my own personal channel for like car content, four-wheelers and shit like that.
See, I ride too.
You ride four-wheelers?
Ride four-wheelers, dirt bikes, motorcycles, all
Bro, follow me and then just like shoot me like a DM or some shit.
I'm gonna test you. I got like
Matter of fact, nah, don't even do that, bro. Hold on. just let me alright, I'm in the next row. Man, this car meet got some great look, cat, that's a vet, Camaro. But this car meet got some heat. This car meet got some heat, boy. Look, whole row of Mopars. This whole row right here. It's people pulling out. 7:30. 7:30 is still lit. I see two parking spots opened up, but I don't even think I'm gonna get out. I'll just slide through this, bro. I wanna see everything. I wanna see everything. Look at this Mustang.
Nice car, bro.
Oh, thanks, bro. Look at that Mustang. I don't know if that's a turbo, that red thing. I don't know if that's a turbo or a Pro Charger. I don't know what that is, but that thing is huge. I know that Mustang running. I know that Mustang running, boy. Look at that. Another cat. There's a lot of cats out here, boy. TA. So that could be a RT or a SCAT. They have both. They got TA RTs, and I believe they have TA RTs. I know for sure they have TA SCATs. Oh, it looked like they parking up right here. Buddy taking this spot. I might take the one next to that gray cat. Yeah, it's looking like I might slide up in this one right here. Before I get out, let me stop and start it again. Before I get out, let me tell y'all about this dealership that I came to. So this dealership, when I had my SCAT, and they had an orange red-eye. They had an orange red-eye Charger and Challenger. I wanted the Charger at the time, and I brought my SCAT here, and they offered me some crazy low number for the SCAT. So I was like, nah, man. They test drove my car and everything, and then came, oh, we're gonna hook you up with a good deal. Excuse me, good deal. Came back, offered me some crazy. What they offered me, like 40. I was like, bro, y'all better get out of here. It was a 2022. It had like 4,500 miles on it, and they was offering me and it was a wide body, Hemi orange. Like, nah, bro, y'all tripping. So I was like, I'd rather keep my SCAT than take a messed up deal. So I kept my SCAT. It was hard. It was a beautiful Charger. The Challenger was hard too. But at the time, I wanted to stick with the Charger. Hang on a second. Yeah, at the time, I wanted to stick with the Charger. So, hang on one second. I gotta take this. Yeah, so we got a little fin right here. They left it running. Look at this shit. This thing, nice. They got the hood pins. They got real hood pins on there too. This is real. What this is? I don't know what this is. I think it's a SCAT. Yeah, TA.
Yeah. Hope everybody's having a good time. Also, don't forget, we got the taco truck. We got the tacos to my left, maybe to your right.
I'm trying to see where them boys at.
So we please advise you.
Niggas blocked me in.
What we need is right here to your left. That left.
I should have just slid.
Also,
I see,
we like
bro.
to advise you, please, whatever you leave, do not burn out. I advise you, do not burn out when we leave it. The cops are out there, so I just advise you, please do not burn out.
It look like it's by that time. Hard, all black hood pins. He got some raw hood pins. I ain't never seen so many Hellcats in one spot. And look, here go another one. That shit sound cam. Cat. Everybody firing their engines up. I think it's by that time. Man, we done came late. Came late. Huh?
What time we had started?
6. Yeah. But I think they're gonna have it like every month now. So
It was one, I think last month, Mr. Goddamn was here.
yeah, y'all came?
No, we didn't go there.
Yeah, I didn't.
Water, bro. I was mad at him.
Let me show y'all boosted Lucky Whip. Let me show y'all boosted Lucky Whip before I leave. Boosted Lucky shit right here. Damn, boy. He got a Whipple. My bad. He got a Whipple. Look at them slicks. Carbon fiber fenders. That boy got a parachute. Look at that. Parachute. There go another cat. Another cat. Another one right there. Black wing. Oh damn, that's his truck too? Damn. Oh, he probably pulled the cat with the truck, right? Damn. I heard he got something like 1,400 horses or something crazy. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, yeah, as y'all see, we out here at a Dodge dealership. Yeah. That sounds like a turbo. He got a turbo in that one. Hey, hold on right quick. You know, I be having to look. You have to look like somebody was like. Boy, Texas got that muscle, boy. Texas got that muscle. I got your IG already, ain't it? My bad, bro. My bad. Yeah, man. I'm trying to get out here and make the car content. Find like a lit car club. You feel me? You just moved out here?
I'm from out here. That's my mom page.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just moved out here like 2 years ago. Florida. Oh. Yeah, I'm from South Florida.
I'm gonna ask you for my personal page too, bro.
Damn, I be having a look, bro. I had one stolen already. But the dealership stole it though. I ain't gonna cap. Bruh, I bought it, took it out the next day, and on surveillance, somebody had a key, jumped in that shit. Not even 60 seconds, bruh. Jumped in there and it was gone. The very next day, and I found out the car was already, it was a VIN swap. So the dealer sold me a VIN swap, and then it got stolen the next day. I wonder who's crazy. Damn, these boys. It was a Chevy dealership, bro. It was a big Chevy dealership. Like, you see how this the brand new side, and then over there, but they the same company. It's just like that, but Chevy. Yeah. Big Chevy. Yeah. Hold on. So, Lucky brought his TRX, slid with the TRX, pulled the TRX. I mean, he pulled the HELLCATS with the TRX. I heard he got something like 1,400 horses in that thing. All right, homie, it was nice meeting you, man. Y'all be safe. I'm about to go post up by my shit over there. Keep an eye on it. For real. I'm trying to put an air tag. Hey, you put those lights in the what's them lights called? Okay, what's it called? Oh, Bro, you know the LED cat, the Hellcat? I went there yesterday for that. Man, he do everybody's shit, bro. That shit hard though. You mind if I put it on there? Look, he revving up some stuff over there. He got the underglow coming down below. I might do blue. Might do the blue underglow with the little LED cat light. I don't know. Oh, this is somebody's truck parked like that. I don't know. I think they revving up the Lambo. You go see. Oh yeah, they done fired up the Lambo. Oh, he got flames. He got flames coming out the back. Oh, I'm gonna try to see if I can catch that. Look at all the cars, look at all the whips on the inside. Woo! That lamb is hard. That lamb is hard, boy. Oh my God. Woo! That was a show right there, boy. For real, for real. So now, look. Well, I think those cars are for the lot. Those cars for the lot. Okay, yep. Show's over. Show is over. I'm about to go slide back by my whip. Hey, that boy slid. That boy said, fuck the car wash. Make sure ain't nobody try to put no Alright y'all, so this car meet is pretty much over. I'm about to slide in a few. Everybody's starting to clear out, everybody's starting, look, everybody leaving. Look, I don't know if y'all see that big TRX way down there, they leaving. Parking spots starting to open up slowly. It's cops at the exit, so it ain't gonna be no burning out, no nothing like that. But it was lit while it lasted. I'm about to do a little, I'm gonna get with y'all as soon as this thing is over with. I gotta find the dudes who parked in front of me so I could get out. I mean, I'm not really in a rush, but this camera's about to die anyway, and I need to save it so I can close this video out. So I will see y'all in a minute. This is the last one. This boosted Lucky, he revving up his car right now.
This is my first meet in Houston. I did not expect for it to go like this, but I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, man. Y'all so love, y'all came out in a way that I was not ready for. I love Houston. I love y'all. Thank you guys so much for coming out and showing support. Like I said, I had no idea it would be like this, and I can't thank y'all enough, man. Shout out to Houston, bro. Appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for real. Thank y'all. Everybody, please be safe when y'all going home. Don't cut up. Don't have the police get y'all.
Man, listen to that thing chop, boy. God, man. This thing must have every mod.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much.
Damn. Crazy.
I get a picture with the garbage.
Here go the light. I ain't show y'all yesterday.